The man was terrified to find that his pet cat had laid 30 red eggs overnight. Soon after, a cute little kitten hatched. The man immediately picked it up and lovingly stroked it. Suddenly, the kitten spat out several 100-meter-long tongues and swallowed the office desk in one gulp. As the man stood there bewildered, the kitten then swallowed an astronaut. Instead of stopping it, the man released all the newly hatched kittens and told them to devour all the astronauts on the space station. People were terrified, but couldn't escape their fate of being eaten. It turned out the space station was about to be destroyed, and there was only one escape pod, not enough to safely return thousands of people to Earth. So the man came up with this clever plan. After a game of cat and mouse, the kittens quickly cleared out the station. Then they boarded the escape pod and sped towards Earth at light speed. Soon enough, they safely landed on Earth. Once on the ground, the kittens spat out all the astronauts. They were successfully rescued. Do you like these cute kittens?